Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Fullstar vegetable chopper, food chopper, onion chopper, vegetable slicer and spiralizer, veggie chopper with container, kitchen gadgets, home essentials, kitchen accessories, 4-in-1, white. The original Pro Chopper, our superstar veggie slicer, has been creating waves on TikTok. Simple to use, set up, and clean, save time and energy during meal prep with our OG vegetable chopper. Chop, slice, and dice your ingredients like a seasoned chef. Easy meal prep with rust-resistant blades. Our vegetable chopper is perfect for anyone who wants to eat healthier but doesn't have a lot of time to spare. Dice potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more with the heavy-duty, rust-resistant blades. 5-star design with a soft grip handle made of long-lasting TPU, you'll enjoy more control over your chopping motions. The non-skid rubberized bottom of this BPA-free veggie chopper will keep it firmly in place on any surface, wet or dry. A kitchen essential. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned pro, the Fullstar food chopper is a must-have in any kitchen. It's versatile, easy to use, and backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. Thanks for watching and subscribe.